When you think of Mediterranean beaches, I know that Syria is probably not the first place that jumps into your mind. Believe it or not though, the government of Lattakia, or Muhafazat al-Lattakia, in Syria, not only has some of the cleanest Mediterranean beaches, but is also home to some ancient castles and outstanding museums, or matahif. Welcome back to Speak Real Arabic, everyone! And today I'll be talking about the wonderful government of Lattakia, or as I said before, Muhafazat al-Lattakia. Before I jump to the video, I want to thank you as usual. I guess I've never thanked you guys in Arabic, so shukran jazilan in advance for subscribing and hitting that bell icon. I mean, only if you want to be the first to be notified about new videos, so up to you, whatever, I don't care. So, let's jump straight into what to do in Lattakia. Now, of course, you can always visit the city of Lattakia itself, known for its mild-mannered residents and wonderful food. Though, for most visitors, that region, the village or Wadi al-Qandil, is the prime destination. Wadi al-Qandil is a village in the mountainous area, or what we call it Qarya Jabaliya. Qarya means village and Jabaliya means mountainous. This town is considered as one of the most charming tourist destinations in the coastal region. There's also Wadi al-Qandil, which is a beach. Wadi al-Qandil is one of the most beautiful beaches in Syria, as its golden sands are stretched for about 2 kilometers, I guess. You can also visit various farms or mazari' or basatin, as this area is known for producing rice, olives, which means also olive oil, and cotton. By the way, those cotton farms look amazing in the spring. Really, it's like something out of a fairy tale. Believe me, you gotta see it. Moving on to a little bit more historical places, or amakin tarikhiyya. As you well know by now, Syria has many historical mosques, gates, and castles. The castle of Saladdin, or in Arabic, Qal'at Salah ad-Din, also known to some as Sahyun Castle or Qal'at Sahyun, is one of those amazingly historical castles. This castle dates all the way back to the 10th century, or Al-Asr al-Ashir. This qal'a has traded hands a little bit in its history. Like, for example, firstly, it was under control by the Byzantine ruler, or Al-Hakim al-Byzantini, John I Zemiscus. I hope I said that correctly. He captured Sahyun, which is the area surrounding the castle called Sahyun. However, in 1108 or 1109, I think, the Crusaders, the Christian Crusaders, took over this castle and gave it most of its structure and how it looks today. The reason it's called the Castle of Salah ad-Din is because in, I believe, 1120, Salah ad-Din al-Ayyubi laid siege to it and took it back from the Crusaders. Today, the castle is situated in some of the most breathtaking mountains, or jibal, covered with forests to each side. Forest in Arabic means ghabe, by the way. It also has some amazing ancient baths, or hammam, and is a World Heritage Site, like it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Keeping up on our castle theme, I'd be remiss if I didn't talk about the Margat Castle, or as we call it today, Qal'at al-Marqab. I'm gonna say that again, Qal'at al-Marqab. This literally translates to the castle of the watchtower, I guess. This is yet another Crusader fortress and was one of the major strongholds, or husun. Stronghold in Arabic means hasan. For the Knights Hospitaller, I think I said that well, my French is a little bit rusty, which also built Qal'at al-Hasan in Homs. And I'll be talking more about that in another video, so you want to check our video on Homs as well. So, check this insanity. This castle was built on an inactive volcano about 360 meters above sea level. This castle actually directly overlooks the Mediterranean Sea, and of course, there's a rich history to it. It was built all the way back in, I think, the year 1050 or 1062, something like this, as a defense against the Crusaders. Eventually, the Knights Hospitaller, which are the Crusaders, took it over, but they only got it for a very small time because it was won back by Kalwoon in, I think, 1285 or 1290. As this castle was built mainly as a defense position, it was very different from Gothic architecture and has kind of like a very unique blend of Eastern and Western influence in its appearance. I mean, if you have not seen this castle yet, either visit it if you can or at least look it up. It is amazing. Trust me, you're gonna wanna check it out. Especially for you castle enthusiasts out there, such as myself. So, I guess this was Lattakia or Lattakia, everyone. As usual, please hit that like button if you like this video. It just looks nice, you know, just there. And always let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make any videos about Syria, Arabic culture in general, whatever it is that you want. One more time, I'm your host Ozzy from Damascus, Syria, and I'll see you all in our next video. Take care.